What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and also we'll be testing the video quality of the Samsung Galaxy S20. This video is shot in 1080 at 60 frames per second. Also the voice is being recorded in the S20. So as you can see on the box, this is a black variant of the Buds Plus. Let's quickly go through the features that are provided on these buds. The most amazing feature is definitely the battery backup, which is of 11 hours. It's got two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mic for clear voice call, and it also supports wireless charging. On the side of the box, it's got the manufacturer details, pricing and content that are inside the box. It's time to unbox. Up first we got the charging case and I believe the buds are inside it, so let's just keep it aside for now. Then we have the USB Type-C cable for charging the earbuds, 3 replaceable wingtip and 3 earbuds tip, so you have the option to change it as per your fit. Now let's take a closer look at the buds. The sound on these earbuds are by AKG, so it's pretty good. Also, if you noticed, the S20 is struggling to keep the focus right, and this was also an issue faced by a very famous YouTuber, your average consumer. As the autofocus couldn't keep up, I had to manually adjust the focus while recording. Now we can actually go ahead and open up the case, and here it looks like it does have an LED indicator light, but here are our Buds Plus, the left one and the right one. It feels very premium in hand, but I have to check how it actually sounds and feels inside your ear. First impression is that it fits perfectly in my ears and it is super comfortable even for a long time of usage. The sound quality is above average, but I have to spend more time to test that out, and the touchpads on these are amazing. And the final content inside the box is of course the warranty information and the user guide. It's pretty handy if you want to know as to how these buds work. So that's it for this unboxing video. Do let me know in the comments down below if you want a full review of these buds. Do hit the like button before you leave and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Until next time.